Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is all about summer skin because it's coming to that time of year. Thank God, because it has been long. If you guys are from the UK, then you'll know we had a very short spout of very beautiful weather, but it didn't last. Oh, so good. But yes, that is why I'm sitting here today doing a summer skin tutorial, because it's in the spirit of things. What can I say? I cannot help myself. It is indeed 10 degrees and raining outside. It'll come, okay? Have faith, it will come. It is obviously, well, I keep looking at myself in the camera screen thing and I'm like, this is supposed to be a daytime thing, but I just can't help myself. This is how I would go out during the day. I know sometimes I preach that less is more, but sometimes I'm just like, I really need to put lots of makeup on today. I just can't help myself. So yes, today is supposed to be a daytime skin tutorial. Take from it what you will. So yes, anyway, I'm making this short and sweet because I really haven't got much to say other than what I've just said. But as always, please go and enjoy the tutorial and I'll see you guys next time. So first thing is first, at this time of the year, I'm sure you all know that the most important thing that you guys need to be wearing is SPF. I think it's a lot easier now to find really good moisturizing SPFs, like SPFs mixed with moisturizers. You get most of the drift. Ones that work well with other skincare and ones that work well with makeup. So the range of choices that you guys have to choose from is just unbelievable, so I'm not even going to name any, but today I will name my one that I'm using. This one is the Paulas Choice Resist Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid, and it has a broad spectrum of SPF 50. Looks something like this. I have yet to have any issues with any makeup or any other skincare. I know you're probably thinking that I just used a hefty amount of product, but rule of thumb when it comes to SPF is that you do need to use more of it. I do believe I read somewhere it was like a whole teaspoon on your face. Google it, you'll find out. So once that's all dried in, next up it is primer. So today I will be using the MAC Cosmetics. This is their Strobe cream and this colour is in Pinklight. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the new Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Pretty sure you guys all have seen this recently. My colour is in Stromboli. Now, weirdly enough, I know you always see me with a sponge, like a beauty blender thing. Obviously mine's the Real Techniques one. But for some reason with the Strobe cream, I actually like to use my fingers and rub it all in nicely. I know. People change. Like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Go on. Anyway, once that's done, I will actually then go in with my sponge and make sure that's all nicely blended. And there you go, you get a much more natural finish. So for concealer today, again, it is always at the moment the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. This colour is in medium neutral. So to be setting all that, I will be using, again, it is MAC. This one is their Mineralise Skin Finish, and this one is in medium golden. I'm sure if you're a regular here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. is bronzer. So today I will be using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. This is the Deep Tan Matte Bronzer. So for highlighter, it is indeed the MAC Show Gold. This is the Extra Dimension finish, by the way, just in case you were wondering. Eyebrows. So it is indeed the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This colour is in 5. So for eyes, I don't really want to do anything too crazy because this is a summer daytime look. However, I am going to do myself a nice cat eye or a wing or whatever you guys want to call it. You know what I mean. But today, the liner that I am using is indeed the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. So for mascara, it is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So for lashes, it is these are can't really see them, they just fell to the bottom of the box. These are the Ardell Demi Pixie lashes, the ones I've used before. Oh, you're about to see them. Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I? Right, so today I am going to indeed be using a liquid lip, but I just want to say one thing. I think I have indeed cracked the bumhole lip problem. I know you all know exactly what I'm talking about. Someone like me, my lips are real. Obviously, I don't have them nice and stretched out. When I use liquid lip, very, very quickly, this starts to go super scabby, i.e. bumhole. Okay, anyway, so moving on. I have found this. Now, this is La Roche-Posay. This is the Cicaplast Lèvres. Okay, I studied French in school and failed miserably, but it's this. It's a barrier repairing balm. Anyway, I'm not going to try and say anything else on that because I will just sound like an idiot. This is amazing under liquid lip. It keeps them completely hydrated, no, like even lime crime. And I think if you can beat lime crime, you can beat anything. Anyway, you're about to see. So I always put loads of this on before my liquid lip. Oh my god, this shit what one does. It's amazing. It doesn't smell like anything, but weirdly it tastes really nice. For liquid lip, today I am going to be using Kat Von D. This one is Ophelia, and this one is in Bow and Arrow. Now what I like to do is line my lips with Bow and Arrow and go in the middle with Ophelia, because I'm that high maintenance. And there you have it. Once this is dry, it is bumhole free lips. Promise. I'm actually going to go in with a gloss after this is dried, and I know that also obviously helps bumhole lips, but just this with no lip gloss and then that shit. Oh, thank God I found it. I just need to dry my lips. Oh, I think my lips have dried. Right, so once your lips have dried, I'm going to go in with Matte Cream Sheen Gloss. I'm sure you guys all know these things. It's their lip gloss. This one is in Boy Bait. Now for the star of the entire show. This is the MAC Fix It Plus, and this is the Pinklight. So if you haven't seen this everywhere yet, this is indeed their very iconic Fix It Plus. However, this one has glittery shit in it. So glittery. If you don't know it, go into one of the stores and see them because they are absolutely beautiful. This one is the Pinklight one, and they also do Gold Light. It's pretty self-explanatory why those two are different. I think my wall is now glittery. Yay! As you can see, oh, I just love this. This is literally the best creation ever. Ever. So beautiful. So that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, but more importantly, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you have liked what you've seen today, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.